Okay, in this video I will explain how nested conditional statements work. And first of all, what is a nested conditional statement? Nested conditional statements are just like, for example, this if block that is inside another if block, and this new if block is inside another if block. And I have created this little program to help me explain how this works. For example, if we run it, like, and first it will ask us for a number, and if we type, I don't know, 50, first the program will enter this block. If this new number is less or equal than 200 and bigger or equal than 0, it will enter. So it passes this if statement, and then it asks, like, this number is bigger than 0 and less than 100, yes, because it's a 50, as we can see, and then this get printed. But for example, if we try another number like 150, sorry, I didn't respond. 150, the program tells us that it's between 100 and 200 because first passes this if, then it enters this, and as this new number is less than 100, it goes to this, and is bigger than 100 and is less than 200, so this statement gets printed. And there are other cases, which here is another nested conditional statement, which is inside of an existing conditional statement. So Python, please enter number, and if the number is exactly one of these numbers, that depend on what number is it, one of these statements is going to get printed. So if we type 100, x is equal to 100 gets printed, which is this statement, because first enters to this conditional statement and passes this, enter this conditional statement, and as the number is not equal to 0, goes to the next condition and checks the number is equal to 100, yes, and this statement gets printed. Another case will be that the main conditional statement is this, and this is if the number is not in between this range, this is going to get printed and is not going to enter the other conditional statements. So for example, if we type -8, this statement gets printed. So that's all about nested conditional statements. I hope you understood this topic. So thank you very much.